Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to cancel Hulu subscription after free trial. Canceling your Hulu subscription after the free trial is easy and only takes a few minutes. If you signed up for Hulu through the Play Store, you can manage or cancel it right from your Google account without needing to open the Hulu app. This helps you avoid being charged once the trial period ends and keeps your account from renewing automatically. By following a few simple steps, you can make sure your subscription stops before any payment is made. First, open the Play Store on your mobile device. Then, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Next, tap on Payments and Subscriptions from the menu. Here, select Subscriptions to view all the services linked to your Google account. Now, find Hulu from the list and tap on it. You'll see details about your plan and renewal date. Tap on Cancel Subscription to stop it from renewing after the free trial ends. Follow the on-screen steps to confirm the cancellation. Once you're done, your Hulu subscription will stay active until the trial period ends and won't charge you afterward. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.